Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use small taskbar buttons on the taskbar on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or tablet computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the taskbar and you want to select where it says taskbar settings. And then on the bottom or near the bottom of this panel on the right side, where it says the use smaller taskbar buttons, go ahead and toggle that on if you want to use smaller buttons. And if you want to make them bigger, toggle that off, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.